In order to pair the watch with your phone, you need to download the official app of Amazfit Z. So let's get started. Click the app, click add device, click watch, agree. Now let's scan the QR code. There we go, it's connecting to the device. There we go. Now accept phone pairing request. Tick. There we go, it's binding. There we go. So now the watch is synced with the phone. So now I'll show you what are all the options in the watch. So there we go. Activity goal, pair, heart rate, sleep, workout history, SpO2, stress, breathing, cycle tracking, to-do list, alarm, settings and more.